Tired of being chained to your desk just to manage your work tasks? Let's unlock the power of UKG Pro right in the palm of your hand. First, download the UKG Pro mobile app from the App Store if you're on iOS, or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Just search for UKG Pro. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll need your company code, username, and password to log in. This is the same information you use to access UKG Pro on your computer. If you don't have this information, contact your HR department. Alright, you're in. This is your home screen. From here, you can easily access key features. Tap on Pay to view your pay stubs and tax information. Need to request some time off? Select time off, choose the type of leave you need, the dates, and add any necessary comments before submitting your request. If your role requires it, you can clock in and out directly from the app. Look for the clock in, out option on your home screen or under the Time tab. To manage your benefits, tap Benefits. Here you can review your current enrollments and make changes during open enrollment periods. Stay informed by checking your notifications. These will alert you to important updates, such as approved time off requests or schedule changes. You can also view your team's schedules and access the company directory from the app's navigation menu. This helps you stay connected with your colleagues. To update your personal information, go to your profile settings. This is where you can change your contact information or emergency contacts. Encountering issues, check the app's help section or contact your company's IT support for assistance.